Good morning, guys. Welcome back. It's Simply Amanda. Thank you so much for taking the time to join me today. A while back, I think I shared with you, I went to Trader Joe's, and at Trader Joe's, I bought some oils because I've been trying to get into essential oils, aromatherapy, stress relievers, anxiety relievers, and stuff like that. And then that kind of led me into trying to think about how to make my own stuff. Now, my daughter, my oldest daughter, does this all the time. She is like amazing with it. But she's got 4 children right now, ages 7, 5, 3, and not even, she's right at 6 weeks old now. She's got her hands full. So I kind of figured I would try to go someplace else to kind of like dive into it. And I'm going to definitely get her opinion on this. But anyway, I was searching around, messing around online, and a company kept coming up that they deal with essential oils, and every month they make their own, they send you a box, and you make different homemade products. And this month is the month of March, and this month was dealing with face care, that type of thing issue, with essential oils and how to make different stuff. So I went ahead and bit the bullet because I had a promo code. I don't know where the promo code came from, but I had a promo code and it got me a really good deal. It even gave me back, it gave me a $45 gift card that I can use in the store to get any extras that maybe that I might feel I need later on. I need to go back and check to see if there's an expiration date on it because I don't know. But anyway, I'm rambling. Let me go ahead and show you what it is. I'm doing an unboxing. Let me show you what it is. It's going to be backwards. Sorry, guys. It's called Simply Earth, and I just got it the other day, and I'm like excited. I'm excited. We're going to go ahead and open this up, see what's in it. It's supposed to come with the starter kit along with the March kit that whatever it is we're going to be doing with this facial. But anyway, let me go ahead and get into this and see what it is because like I am super excited. I'm going to go ahead and cut it open. It's called the Big Bonus Box. I think you get this every 6 months if you do a subscription, and every single month right now. And it tells you ahead of time what you're going to get so you can decide whether you want it or not, or skip it, or you can actually give it to somebody else. But anyway, let's open this up because I really have no clue what to expect. Oh! Here we go. Here we go. Oh my gosh, I'm already excited, y'all. I'm so excited. Look. Okay, so the monthly box, this is the monthly essential oil recipe box. Everything I'm supposed to have to be able to make this. Like I said, this is from Simply Earth. And then you get this other box, which like I said, you get every month, and it comes with extra stuff that you're going to need to be able to make the recipes in here. So this big box, it comes with beeswax. It comes with 100% refined cold-pressed coconut oil. And then it has 2 carrier oils, which is almond oil, and I believe this is fractionated coconut oil. Yeah, fractionated coconut oil. And I have learned that fractionated coconut oil doesn't solidify like regular coconut oil do, making it lighter and better to use. So, and these are also recipes that I'm going to have to use in my box. So it comes with, you come down here, it comes with, it's got rollers. You can see these rollers right here. You know, I showed y'all that the other day that I bought some rollers. Let me see if I can get this roller out. Show you what it looks like. Comes with the roller, and I love that it's amber because that's supposed to keep it fresher longer, I believe. And then it comes with smaller, I think, I don't know what these are. Just smaller little bottles. So it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these little ones and 6 roller bottles. But all of these, everything, I need to read this right here. Everything that I need for this box right here, which is the month of March box, is in this box as well as in here. So let's see what oils that I got this month. Oh Lord, I don't want to, how do you open this box up? Okay, finally figured it out. Finally figured it out. I'm trying to move everything so you guys can see. Here we go. So, the first essential oil that we have is, what is this one? This is lemon oil. Let me go ahead and just take it out and put it out. Lemon oil, and all of these oils are what we're going to be using in the recipes that I'll be making. And this one is called Simply Pure Promise, well, excuse me, Geranium. Yeah, this geranium. Simply Pure Promise. Oh, that's just their... Okay, geranium. Let's see. Clear Skin. I'm not sure what that is, but this is a... This has tea tree, lemon, sandalwood, cedarwood, juniper berry, essential oils. It's several essential oils for clear skin. And the last one is, let's see, Copabaya. I have no clue if I'm pronouncing that right. Copabaya, I have no idea. So those are the 4 oils that will be going in the recipes. And then we have emulsifying wax. I cannot pronounce what this is, but it's got something to do using it on your face for massaging and stuff. Oh, wait a minute. And then it also comes with a free serum base, which we're going to be using. And they're supposed to be making a bigger bottle of this at the end of the month to use. So, and then if I look here, let's see. Just information about it. Everything. Here are the recipe. These are the recipes of things we'll be making this month. I'll be making, I say we, it's just me. This is the Fresh Flowers Face Serum. And everything that I need right here is already in this box, with this big box right here, from my understanding. Let's see. Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Clear Skin Roll-On, serum-based. New Horizons diffuser blend, something to put in the diffuser. Makeup priming butter. I am seriously can't wait to try this one. And then luxurious face cream. I guess these are the 2, the face cream and the butter I'm really excited about. So there's the recipes. And I'm trying guys to bring this all in so you can see, but it's always the opposite. The recipes. And then the last thing is they have the stickers that you can put on your bottles, your vials, or whatever it is that you're going to be using, so you know what it is and how to label them. Like this one says, this is the lemon, geranium. I can put all these stickers on the bottle so we can find them really fast. But this is everything that I'm going to need to be able to make my own face products, which I am like super excited about. So guys, here's like an overview of everything I got. Let me review it again. When you order this Simply Earth Essential Oil Kit, like today, this is the month of March, you will get, the first time you order it, you will get called the Big Bonus Box. It comes with the carrier oils, it comes with the vials, the roll-ons, coconut oil, and the beeswax. All of this stuff you're going to need to be able to make the recipes that are over here. I'm hoping I'm getting this part right. And this is supposed to last long enough to get you through, I'm assuming 6 boxes, because you get another box every 6 months. So this should be everything to cover what you're getting. You don't have to buy anything else. That's what's so good. It comes with you. That's what I like about it. It tells me what I need and what I do. Maybe later on, if I get any better at this, it won't be so bad. But right now, I need a teacher, and this is the teacher. The March monthly box right here, like I said, it comes with the recipes, tell you everything you're going to need. All these, y'all, you stop and think, the prices of these, average of $10 for all of these. Well, for 4, one of them's a serum, which I imagine that could go for $10 as well. That's like $40 right there. That's just $40, okay? You're paying for that. They give you that. And then you come over here and you have all this stuff you can add to it. I think it's a really good deal, especially with a newbie who has no clue what she's doing, but wants to do something different and a little bit better. And then again, like I said, this has got a name. I cannot think of it right now. I'll probably put it in the description box. And yeah, so, but what I'm looking forward to doing first and foremost, oh yes, how much did I pay for all this? How much did I pay for all this? This was $29 and some cents, and like $32 after tax. And every box after that, I believe, is $45. Free shipping, not a bad deal. I can do add-ons, and I still have a $45 gift certificate I can use because I use a promo code to be able to use in the store as well. And you can skip boxes. You can gift boxes. You can, they work with you so well. So it's amazing. So what is the first thing I'm going to be making? Makeup priming butter. Okay. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of the coconut solid. That's that. You're going to need a tablespoon of the almond oil. Got that. You're going to need 6 drops of the geranium. Got that. And you're going to need 6 drops of the cobaya. I hope I'm saying that name right because I think I'm butchering it. Of the cobaya. Which one is that one? The cobaya. You're going to need that. So everything that I need, everything I need to make makeup priming butter is in here. With the exception of, it does not come with containers for that because that's going to be something else. But watch, guys. I've been saving these jars. I always save my jars for different things. This is a glass jar for my mushrooms. I've already got the jars, so that's not a big deal. You could probably put this just about any container you wanted to, because it says you're going to from your home a 2-ounce jar. I'll just use this right here, and then it tells you the directions and what to do. Y'all, I'm just like so excited. So anyway, I'm super excited to get in here and make this. I really am. I'm not sure if I'm going to come back and do a video of my making it. I probably want to get a little bit better at it, but I will definitely come back when I've got it made and show you and tell you how it works, because the priming butter for my face, I am really looking forward to that. I am so am. So anyway, guys, I will leave a link below to this company down below. I'll just leave a link below and let you check it out. I don't know if there are referral codes or not. I know I can give you the referral code that I used. If you're interested, just let me know and I'll be glad to do it. I need to do more research. It's just I haven't been able to do a lot of research in the last 2 weeks because I've been so busy. I really need to get online, because they also do tutorials on YouTube on their I will link that below, their YouTube channel where they do this, Facebook group that teaches you all this thing. Plus I've got a course that teaches me about the essential oils and stuff. So anyway, I'm just excited. Anyway, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Something here helps you, encourages you. Like I said, I've really gotten into essential oils and the scents of them. And yeah, this is like a teacher in a box. Oops, a teacher in a box. So anyway, you guys have an amazing day. Thank you so much for stopping by. Until the next video, God bless.